Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nettie and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be working with some blonde hair and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved the color from an inspo pic that a customer sent me. I'm going to show you guys how I colored it and I'm also going to show you guys how I cut the bob. So if you're interested, stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on this wig. I wanna welcome you guys back. And for those that are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Nettie and I make custom wigs. So don't forget to give your girl a like and a comment and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see here today. I'm gonna start by prepping this wig. This is a custom wig that I made for a customer. It has two bundles with a 5x5 closure. And I did create it on a black cap since I'm going to be coloring this wig red. When I'm doing colors like that, I do use black caps. It's just a lot neater than using the beige cap. Beige caps I use when I'm just doing blonde colors or like light pastel colors. So I'm going to be using some Got To Be on the lace. That is going to help my lace from getting stained. I don't like stained lace, so I'm going to put this on the lace before I do the coloring. And I am going to be using the watercolor method. I'm going to show you guys the colors and everything that I use. I'm going to show you guys that process and then I'll jump back in after that is done. So once I was done coloring, I went and rinsed it out with some cold water until the water ran clear. And then I hit it with some Color Safe conditioner. I added a little bit of that crystal clear to the conditioner just to give my wig a little bit of a shine. You can see that the lace is not stained at all. The color came out really good. I'm going to spray it with some leave-in conditioner and then I'm going to just hang it up to dry. Before I do any cutting, I'm going to prep my wig. So the wig is completely dry. This is how the color looks. And then I'm going to get the hairline ready. I'm going to do the hairline, make my part, straighten the wig, and then I'm going to get ready to cut. And one more thing, I just want to show you guys, I pinned down the back of the cap. I've been doing that lately when I'm cutting bob wigs. I just find it very helpful. Normally when I pull the cap forward, which you're going to see me do later in the video, you'll see that it's not going to be a lot of hair sticking out in the back that I need to cut off. So that step definitely saves me time, and it definitely helps me get a more precise cut. All right, so I already started this cut. And you see that I started in the back. I always start in the back, and I work my way around each side. So I use the back as a guide to help me cut. And I also have the canvas head tilted forward. The head is always tilted forward when I'm cutting. And then you're also going to see me pull this wig. You're going to see me unpin it and pull the wig forward to help me clean up the cut in the back. That step you don't want to skip. That's going to make sure that your wig is even in the back. So when your customer puts it on, the wig is not uneven. I'm finishing up this wig. She's almost done. I'm just going to go in and just put the finishing touches on this wig, and she's going to be ready to ship. The inspo pick, it came out pretty close. The whole point of inspo pick is to pick a color or style that you like, send it to your stylist, and then we try to get it as close as possible to the picture. I let my customers know that when you do send me an inspo pic, I'm going to always let you know that I can get it close. I can get it close as possible, but it's not going to be exact. It's never going to be exact. You know, you're talking about using different hair, different formulas. It's never going to be exactly the same, but it, will be close. The customer loved the color, and that's all that matters. And of course, she loves the way that I style, so it's even better. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish, make sure everything is even. I'm gonna bump the ends, and then that is gonna be it for this video. If you are still here, hey, you made it this far, give your girl a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Did I get real close? Could I have added something else, any different color to my to my formula to get the color even closer? Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, I'll meet you guys back in the next video. Peace.